which seems like a smart thing. And ultimately, I'm not too worried about what people think about me or whatever. My only goal is to be authentic, to share a certain vision that I got of the world that's legitimate in my own eyes. And I try not to take things too seriously. And really kind of at this point, it's all about having the balls or having the huevos to actually put yourself out there, because there isn't anything right or wrong in life. It's kind of like, you just kind of have to have fun with it. You don't have to take things too seriously, because once you take things too seriously and you start to think that life and stuff like that is too morose, then your step to self-wisdom knowledge is going to be cut off. And certainly it seems that in life, the more free-spirited we could be, kind of the better. The more seriously we take things in life, the worse. So just kind of allowing ourselves to be, have fun and to be free-spirited.